If you're a fan of Jim Carrey from the 1990s, then there's a really good chance that you loved Ace Ventura, Pet Detective as much as I did. And now we finally get the release of the 4K of Ace Ventura. It also comes with a Blu-ray. How about we open this up and kind of get a sense of how this whole package looks. So the first thing that's cool is that, it does have a slip cover. Some people don't care about it, but I think it's pretty cool. And this is what the back of the slip cover looks like. So you have an image of Jim Carrey punching a Philadelphia Eagles mascot here, and you have a picture of Einhorn right here on the right. And when it comes to the actual 4K, this is pretty much going to be the same thing underneath the slip cover, and then on the back, you're pretty much getting the same thing as well.
Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention before we get started. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.
All right, so I've taken the slip cover off, but I have not opened it up yet, so let's open this up together. So inside you have both a 4K disc and a Blu-ray disc. The Blu-ray is on the left and the 4K is on the right. So it is nice that there is indeed some cover art on the discs. So other than that, there's not really too much here. There's not like there's any booklets inside or anything. But ultimately what matters most is that we get this really fun movie on. So that's my short and sweet unboxing of the Ace Ventura Pet Detective 4K. Once again, I was able to get the version that has the slipcover. Sometimes they eventually stop producing these later on in the production runs. So if that's something that interests you, you probably would want to order sooner rather than later. But overall, what matters is the content on the actual disc, the movie itself. And it is great to finally have Ace Ventura Pet Detective on 4K.
If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.